Pagtapak ng alas 10 ngayong araw ay nagsimula na nga dito sa Senado ang investigasyon hinggil sa pag-aresto kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte. Kung saan una pa lang ay iginit na ni Department of Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla na may jurisdiksyon ng International Criminal Court sa dating Pangulo.
Your Honor, it is not the Philippines that is under the jurisdiction. It is the individuals who are charged by the ICC which is under the jurisdiction. There is a distinction, ma'am.
Please explain.
As non-members of the ICC and as a state, the ICC has no jurisdiction over us as a country. But over the individuals who may have committed crimes that violate international humanitarian law, that is a universal value being held by the whole world today.
Sa kabilang banda, maring pinabulaanan ni National Security Council Director General Eduardo Año na tinulungan nila ang ICC sa naturang investigasyon.
The implementation of the ICC warrant is beyond my mandate and I had no part in it. And may I also state for the record that I am not aware of any core group, nor am I a member of such group that allegedly planned and prepared for the arrest of former President Duterte. In fact, it was only on Tuesday morning, March 11, 2025, that I learned that there was already an Interpol red notice and that the ICC warrant of arrest would be served.
Pero maliban pa nga rito, iginit din sa naging pagdinig ni DILG Secretary John Vic Remulla na walang sinumang mastermind sa likod ng naging pag-aresto at ang mga nabanggit niyang pangalan kamakailan kabilang na nga ang pangalan ng Pangulo ay walang kinalaman dito. Samantala, kinumpirma naman ni General Nicolas Torre III na soft copy o electronic ang ipinabot nilang warrant of arrest kay dating Pangulong Duterte. Bagamat pagkatapos nito ay inabot naman daw din nila ang hard copy nito.
As soon as practicable. At hinihingi talaga ni former president. Di ba hinihingi niya? Hinihingi ng abogado niya. Asan yung warrant? Tama, di ba hinihingi
Yes,
nila?
ma'am.
Anong pinakita nyo?
We gave them the electronic copy of the warrant and it was given to them by Yusek Nikiti together with PG Fadulyon. It was received by
Yung
General
warrant, anong klase
Monteagudo.
yung itsura ng warrant? ICC, Interpol?
It's an ICC warrant, ma'am.
ICC warrant?
Yes, ma'am. That was directed to the Interpol. That was the attachment of the diffusion order.
Sa ngayon, hindi pa raw masabi ni Marcos kung magkakaroon pa sila ng pangalawang pagdinig hinggil dito. In the heart of changing lives, ito si Brigada Ann Cortez ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Manila, The Music News Authority.